Hello, it's me again. Today, we're gonna be solving this from scratch. It is I, the Cube Master. Alright, so first what we're gonna do is scramble this. Get it all nice and scrambled so it's looking like that. You see? No point of return. But before we do this, I'm gonna need you guys to close your eyes. Look deep within your soul. Become the cube.
This is not clickbait.
Become square. All colorful.
I'm actually helping you.
Become one with the cube.
Get in touch with your cube side.
Become the cube.
So good. Yeah.
Damn it. Okay, now that that's all done, we can get to solving. And poof, we're done. Easy.